We are talking about this inside the playground at 7 a.m. We are talking about the time factor 7 a.m. Okay, 7 a.m. And whereas this particular in is inside the playground. Boy reached in time. In time. It means that 7 o'clock, 7 a.m. is a deadline, and the person might be come before 7 o'clock. Let us think about 6:59. The person reached in time. Okay? Suppose the person reached exact 7 a.m. We call it as on time. This is in time. Before 7 a.m. and we call it as in time. And exact 7 a.m. without late a second, we call it as on time. If we think about the person reached later 7 a.m., we call it as late. Is it clear? The person, boy, reached in the playground at 7 a.m. This at is, we are thinking about time factor. And boy reached in time. It means that before 7 a.m. we call it as 7 a.m. is a deadline, and before 7 we call it as in time. Suppose a person reached at exact 7, we call it as on time. And if it is the later 7, we call it as late. And these are the three in, on, at using for time factors. Okay? In, on, and at. Am I clear? Thank you.